I've got my cup of plant milk, any kind you want. Like I say, I use macadamia or coconut. Those are my two go-tos right at the moment. I don't prefer almond milk. If you like almond milk, I would make it myself, and I'll show you in a video how to do that at one point. Pinch of salt, and this can all be adjusted later. Tablespoon and a half of vinegar, and you can pulse it first just to get everything down in there good and kind of started. Alright, and then let it go and let it get nice and creamy. You can put more vinegar in it or more lemon, either one. Okay. I think that's going to be good. And I can use it for whatever I want. And you can flavor it later so that you can use it for both you can use it for both savory and sweet dishes. I would recommend, if you know you're going to use it for more than one thing, I would recommend leaving it without the spices in it, and then you can just flavor it up later. So you can use it for dressing or whatever you want. So that is vegan sour cream. Stay tuned for a vegan cream cheese. If you need one without nuts, I can get that coming out to you. This one happens to be the cashews. It's nice and rich, it's nice and creamy, it turns pretty much white, so that's good. So it's, you know, a good substitute. You can also use other substitutes for sour cream. Can be plant-based yogurt so that it's not milk-based. You can get coconut yogurt, which I'm going to try my hand at making. You'll have a video later coming out on that. I'm going to get in my lab, which is what I call my kitchen, and figure these things out and test them out for you. So this is part of these lab experiments. So thanks a lot for coming to my channel. We'll have a lot of kitchen lab stuff going on here. Bye.